morning, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce myself. My name is Dipa Nurestia. I am from Purwakarta, Jawa Barat, Indonesia. I am a student for majoring in early childhood education program Indonesian University of Education, Campus Purwakarta. And I still the second semester. Okay, don't linger. We just go straight into today's presentation material to save time. So, why do I list personal social media here? Because it is related to the topic that will be discussed according to its title. Please look at the picture. What do you see in the picture? Read. We will continue finding out what is going on there. Yes, next slide. To answer the question on the slide, let's briefly discuss the title on the topic this time. Okay, first we are all no stranger to the word literacy, millennial and digital, right? Media literacy in the digital age is an ability that must be possessed by a person in filtering information while using digital devices such as the internet that involve the technical abilities and cognitive intelligence. Then the term millennials for the generation born in the era of 1980 to 2000 and familiar with digital technology devices. These two things are interrelated considering that digital technology continues to develop rapidly and closely with our daily lives. So that why the millennial generation is required to be literate toward the digital world. Literacy in the sense of understanding, evaluating, and making things both as a procedure as well as a consumer. Internet technology not only makes it easier for you to get the latest information, but also provides opportunities for you to be able to work. Therefore, I am interested in studying the literature in depth to see media literacy in the millennial generation in the current digital era, especially in the millennial generation in Indonesia, especially in social media, so that it can be seen whether the millennial generation in Indonesia has implemented media literacy well or not. In this slide, there is a solid conclusion about the definition of literacy. This means that with the ability of media literacy, it is expected that user will not experience what Alwi Dahlan said is information disorientation disease. Well, disorientation of information is said to be a person who uses the media lose his consciousness in enjoying the media social so delicious what you don't know what to do and how to do it. The theory explains that the average person is a victim of mass media, which result from their research and observation point the finger and the media that causes damage to the morale of individuals and even groups of a community. In addition, this media literacy as a filter for the impact caused by the media may be needed by teenagers who are now surrounded by mass media. Amid the many benefits provided by digital media to human civilization, but the ethical aspect has always been the problem. It also radically changed the way humans communicate and think. This speed is what actually makes you love something instant, lazy to move, and feel a lot to know. Then there is the fact that about 5 years ago, it can be seen here that the number of social media used by millennials is increasing. In digital media, the virtual space occurs the denial of every boundary, obstacle, rule, and ideology as an adhesive or social gravity. Therefore, man can wander freely in his world of fantasy, hallucination, and illusion without the need for social, moral, spiritual, and ethical control. Do not be surprised if digital media is very close to it's related to violations of ethics, moral, and spiritual values that are universal. It can be seen on this slide that in media literacy, stage ranging from identification system designed to help make understanding so that it can produce meaning seen from the image, word, and sound contained in the content. In addition, users also need the ability to analyze and evaluate critical so as to obtain a quality understanding. By applying it starting from honing skills in the reading content, diligently reading content, then the use of digital literacy for content understanding will be more critical. With the high number of internet usage in Indonesia, it takes procedures of ethics that become guidelines for users in using the internet, like 1. Courtesy, 2. Friendly, 3. Gotong royong, 4. High tolerance, and 5. Tabayun, looking for clarity about something until it is clearly true. As we all know that there are many violations in digital media, for adolescents, digital media become part of educational and learning facilities. The teaching and learning process is increasingly helped by the development of internet technology. Eventually, the user who will become excessively lazy, do not care about the surrounding environment, and difficult to of interact or communicate in the real world because it is considered more fun to play in digital media. Please be seen on the slide. This is what I think is important because users not only use it but also have to meet the rule of law in internet. Okay, and this the last slide. Digital media literacy is a cure for negative impacts. Therefore, in order to reduce the information gap between its users' skill or abilities regarding media literacy are needed. These skills or abilities are described by Potter 2004 as follows. 1. Analysis. For example, this is able to use information in the mass media to compare the statement of public official with the basis of theory according to the scientific realm. 2. Evaluate. Here one is able to compare social norms and evaluate against the content faced from the media. For example, is the information very important, ordinary, or stale? 3. Grouping. Define each element that is the same or different in some way. 4. Induction. Summing up a pattern is called a small elements hinge the generalization pattern for all elements in the set. 5. Deduction. Deduction using general principles to explain the specific. 6. Synthesis. Assemble the elements into a new structure. 7. Aspecting. Created with a short, clear, and precise picture capture the essence of the message in a small number of sentences rather than the image itself. Thank you for listening. May all tools we have shared be beneficial for all of you.